let's first understand the Excel workspace. So whenever you open an Excel, you see like this Excel workbook. Inside this workbook, you can add as many sheets. It's like a pages in your notebook. Each sheet has a grid of rows, which are these 1, 2, 3, 4 till the end of this much. I think it's believe around 10 lakhs. And these are your columns, like from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and it's still XFT. And each box is called a cell in Excel. इसका एक अपना इंडिविजुअल एड्रेस भी होता है, लाइक दिस वन इज A1, दिस इज A2, दिस इज लाइक B2, एंड हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड, दिस इज B and this is 2, and this cell is B and this is 7, this is J and this is 7. You can move between cells by using the arrow keys or simply clicking by your mouse. This is going down, this is going up, this is going left, and this is going right. Now let's practice writing something. You can go to any cell and simply you can write anything, like this is like name, class, marks, address. It's simple. Okay, at this point you have learned the basic data entry skills. Moving forward, let's understand how to read data in Excel. Okay, so this is the sample file which I prepared to do this exercise. Here, this is a simple sales data. Okay, here in the column A we have order ID, column B we have date, then customer name, category, region, payment method, sales amount, and quantity. The very top row of any data is a header of that column. In the rows we contain dimensions. जिस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, like order ID, like transaction dates, customer name, and the columns contains the metrics. Metrics like कि उस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड जो अदर डिटेल्स हैं. ठीक है, इस ऑर्डर आईडी पे इस कस्टमर 1 कैटेगरी कौन सी है, होम एंड किचन, रीजन वेस्ट. तो ये इसकी मैट्रिसेस हो गई. जिसके बारे में आपको पता करना होता है वो टिपिकली रोज में होता है. बाकी जो उसके बारे में पता करना होता है वो कॉलम से मेंशन्ड होता है. ग्रेट. टिल नाउ you have understood the basics of reading and writing in Excel.